Okay, Bonnie, in this video, I'm going to show you how we make a box of books and how we create their spreadsheet. So what we've done, if you'll see over here, we have all of our books, obviously, and the ones that I just added over here, I just alphabetized them into the ones we already had. And then you'll see that we have first book, second book, third book, and last year we had a fourth book. So we are determining where they go. So these are our schools. We have the date processed. That's not imperative to have, but we do it because I want to see when we sent them to them, and it doesn't come into play very often, but it does help if we know how long they've had the book. And so I am actually going to add some books to a spreadsheet that I've already started. And it's in Independence. And you'll notice that they already have a lot of books. And the process date, this is in the future, obviously, because we're going to go to her school and take these to her. They're quite a ways away, and do a presentation about, because this is a new school. So I'm trying to gather a lot of books to take because they have a lot of teachers that are going to read. So for right now, though, I'm going to add them to the bottom here. And so the first one I'm going to add, so I need to go in between their spreadsheet and our spreadsheet, not April's spreadsheet, but this is a spreadsheet that we've created as the books have come in on April's spreadsheet. And I showed you that in the very first video. So the first book I'm going to give this new person is Curiosity. And so I'm going to copy the title and author, and I'm going to put their school in the first book. And I'm going to put 8/10 because that's the day we're going to do a presentation. So I've copied that. I put their name here, and then I'm going to go to their spreadsheet and paste it right there and put 8/10 as their process date. Okay, so that's the first one. I will do that the same. Control F to search Ella and the monkey. Highlight that. Go over here, Independence, 8/10. And then I'm going to go to their spreadsheet and put it there. Okay, so I am going to give them a couple more. Crash, boom. Highlight that. Copy, Independence, 8/10. Paste it there. And A Gift from Abuela. Highlight that. Copy. Then go over here, add it there. And that, I'm just going to add those to their stack. Now, if if these had already been there and they had already gone and started being reviewed, that's fine. But I wouldn't need to include them on my inventory sheet. So if I am going to, in the box that they're being sent, so if I'm going to include this as an inventory sheet, I highlight that, and then I just print the ones that I am adding, and I go over here to selected cells, and there's only 4. And so I would put this as their inventory sheet in the box. And I'm not going to print right now, but that's what I would do. And then after I printed the inventory sheet, I would then go ahead and right click and sort A to Z, because this will be their updated now spreadsheet of books that they should have. Okay, and as they review them, again, I'll reconcile them here. But I would only print out the inventory of the books that are in the box that you're sending them right now. And remember that this link is the one that you would give to the leader at this school, and this is the one they would go back to and look at to make sure of what's happening with their own books. As long as you keep it updated when you reconcile it, it really does work pretty well. All right, I think that is it. Enough videos for you to watch today and try to figure it all out, and let me know if you have any questions.